Installation of lights and electrical outlets is arguably the most important and often the most challenging aspect of converting a garage into a workshop. In this Fine Homebuilding Project House video series, licensed electrician Brian Wallow demonstrates methods for clean, organized, professional work as he wires our garage shop. Brian starts with the basics of working with conduit, including layout, cutting, assembly, and running wire. Before adding any switches or outlets, he shows us how to sort and organize multiple wires inside an electrical box. Then he gives step-by-step instructions for installing a simple single-pole light switch. Finally, Brian tackles the often perplexing three-way lighting circuit, giving a clear explanation about how to make the correct connections among the power feed, the lights, and the three-way switches. Brian's approach to wiring is efficient and methodical, and his experience will help you to get these electrical details right the first time.